So this was quite a quarter. You had more spending, people spending more once they got into the store, and some more people showing up at the store. What do you think this says about where we are in the economy and what really is happening when it comes to inflation and the impact on the consumer?
Well, I think we have to be mindful of all of our consumers, all of our customers are pressured. But the reality is what we try to focus on at Starbucks is how do we create value for customers regardless of the environment. And we've been focused on increasing our rewards offering and our rewards program globally, but specifically in the U.S. That adds value to customers. They can earn stars, and that allows them to earn free beverages and food and other items. So that's a real value offering. And for us, it creates more occasions, and it creates, an overall higher ticket. In addition to that, it's incredibly important for us to continue to innovate. Innovation gives customers a reason to come into our stores and, more importantly, a reason to come back. In the quarter, what we saw was our personalization as an example. So when customers come in, they might add cold foam or an extra shot of espresso. That's an increasingly big business for us. And what we see is about 60% of our units sold in beverage are now personalized. And that's led to over $1 billion business and growing. So, that's an important aspect to continue to innovate. And then all of that is underpinned by a great experience that our partners create for our customers, which is why our reinvention plan is focused on that. We think all of that together gives us a resiliency.
Right. How surprised are you, though, about the resilience of the consumer? I mean, when you guys were sitting around thinking about even this past quarter, a quarter ago, and you thought to yourself, okay, what could the numbers really look like? Are people going to actually spend more? And can we pass some of these costs on more? And I think a lot of people have been surprised at how well things have held up, no?
Yeah, I mean, what I would say is we continue to evaluate that. But that's why we have a lot of conviction in our reinvention plan and where we're focused. We have learned over the past 50 years that the best way that we can create value for our customers is through the experience we create, whether that be through our partners, our beverage offerings, our stores. And so we feel that that's the best path forward, and that's really the underpinning of our new era of growth.
In terms of labor, though, there's been labor issues at Starbucks, which I want to ask you about, but we're starting to see potentially, at least in the tech sector, which I imagine, by the way, is a place where a lot of people buy Starbucks, layoffs. Just today, Twitter, half the staff. You see Lyft, Apple, Amazon. It goes on. What are you expecting the next quarter and the quarter after to look like for you?
Well, as I guided yesterday, we're still looking to be about a 7 to 9% comp. We expect the first quarter to be at the lower end of the range, given a number of factors. But the reality is still that's a great expectation that our demand will continue. And the reason we have confidence in that is our ability to continue to create value for our customers. So we're cognizant of the fact that we have to fight for each and every dollar. And that's why we can never take the customer for granted. And it's really important for us to create the very best experience. And so that's what we continue to focus on. And we think that that will give us a resiliency regardless of the environment.